So what are the different steps for teardown with Tarmacs? So first of all, we start with the draining of the fluids, I mean the fuel and the hydraulic. Then we can start with the part out linked to a list provided by our customers. So AerFin is providing a list, can be 1,000 parts or more, and the mechanics remove the part from the different areas. The areas are, for example, the cockpit, the wing, left, right, the cabin, and so on. So we remove the part, then the parts are inventoried. Once the removal of the part and the inventory is done, we can go further with the greening of the cabin. I mean, we sort out everything remaining in the aircraft that the customer doesn't want to retrieve. We sort out aluminium, copper, and so on. Once the cargos and the cockpit and cabin are empty, we can proceed with the landing gear removal and at the end with the deconstruction of the aircraft by cutting the aircraft in pieces.